And next up, it's the lightning talk session. We have two lightning talks. The first one is mine, and I apologize beforehand that I'm going to take a little bit more than 5 minutes because it's about future Nog.fi events. So first up, Nog.fi workshops. Nog.fi workshops, this text was unashamedly copied from Timo Räsänen's presentation a few years ago. Timo is somewhere in the room, I think, still. There we are. Workshops are events for gathering around with like-minded people. And the idea is that it's more hands-on. You actually get to do something, experiment in a safe environment where someone who already knows all the stuff can help you fix any problems you run into. The goal, of course, is hopefully to learn something new. But also there's the social aspect, to get to know each other, make new contacts in the field. We aim that they are free to attend and everyone has a good time. And the link below, I'll take us there in a minute, but I'll go through the slides first. One thing that often is forgotten about hackathons is that of course, the people who want to achieve something, get something done, will attend those hackathons. But there should also be a handful of people who are there just for the joy of hacking, of doing. Because we form groups that are going to work on, different tasks, or possibly the same task, but in different environments. And it's helpful if the group, if the core of the group is from like the same company or whatever, that there is one or two extra hands there that can help, that you can delegate some stuff to. That is one important aspect of hackathons, at least in my opinion. So what do we need to make Nog.fi workshops happen? Of course, we need some topic that will attract people. We need someone, one or more people who know that topic well enough to work as instructors, to be there to help people. Basically, I think one instructor per about 6 to 8 attendees is a good ratio, so that if there's more than 10 people, there should be at least 2 instructors. The attendees can help each other to some degrees, but one lone instructor will be in trouble because there'll be a queue there waiting for help if there are more than 10 people. Then we need a sponsor for the venue where the workshop takes place. It can be just a meeting room somewhere. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. Optionally, it's good if there's a sponsor for keeping people happy and energized, i.e. To provide some food and drink. And also if there's a social in the evening after we've done, when we've gotten everything to work. But those are optional. Like we had one workshop in August this year where we didn't have any of these optional stuff. We just had the venue. And it went fine. Actually, I think my next slide is about that. So CSC, aka Funet, sponsored the first workshop of this year at their offices in Otaniemi, actually Keilaniemi. I guess I made a mistake there. And the topic was using DNS secondary automation using catalog zones. I was the instructor. The attendance was quite low. There were 5 people, one of whom was from Funet as the host and one of whom was me. So there were 3 people, 2 groups. But the results were very good because it turned out that all those 3 people were there just to learn about DNS catalog zones. They weren't planning to actually do anything. So after my half-hour presentation about, what the hackathon was about, they, especially 2 of them, were worried because they didn't have previous, DevOps experience. So they were really worried what they had signed up for. But at the end of the day, all the 3 people, both groups got what they wanted to do done, and they were very happy that they, even though they weren't prepared to do anything, that they actually got something done, and they were planning to adopt. They weren't, before the event, they weren't planning to adopt the technology in their own organizations, but afterwards they had already started making plans about how to make their own networks better using this tech. How do we get more workshops? What we need also, in addition to the things I already listed, we need more active people and more topics. So if nobody wants to have a hackathon, then we won't have any hackathons. The next one is next week in Tampere. We have a very nice sauna venue there. And you can go and register if you want. The primary topic will be the same topic as Amin just presented, either for IBGP or eBGP or both. This will be especially useful for those ISPs that are planning to connect to TREX in Turku, because there you will have to use RFC 8950 if you want to exchange IPv4 traffic. If you're happy with IPv6 only traffic, then you won't need RFC 8950. The secondary topic, because it's the same instructor, i.e. me, if you missed the first catalog zone workshop, then you can also work on that at this hackathon. I'll be there to help you with that as well. So get involved. We've got a mailing list where people can discuss workshop topics, suggest topics, suggest sponsors, whatever. We've also got a Mattermost channel where you can do the exact same thing and talk to me or basically anyone here. Basically, one of the program committee members are currently needed to create the workshop in Indico so that people can sign up on it. But after that, we will make whoever the instructor is or the host is, will make then a manager of that event so that they can do whatever with it. They can edit everything and see the registered people so that they can like have the right amount of coffee ordered and whatever. Also, I should mention that we need that when I said we need sponsors, we already have a couple of sponsors that are willing to host these. So what we really need more are instructors and topics. We have a couple of sponsors already lined up that are just waiting to sponsor these events, both in Tampere and Oulu, but also in Helsinki. And yeah, that's it. Can you take me to the browser? So where's my mouse? Is this thing on? Okay. Yes, much better now. So, so the meetings are here. This is category 2, if I remember correctly, and this is category 1. Let's go actually here first, because, and this is today's event, because there's a survey here, and this isn't the thing you were expecting. This is actually for the next Nog.fi meeting. So we haven't selected the date for the next meeting yet, and we would like your input on which of these dates would work for you, and also if you know any important things that would conflict with these, we'd like to know that beforehand so that we don't collide with stuff. And there's also some other questions there. So please fill that out, and oops, and one more. And yeah, workshops. So there are, of course, past workshops here, like from last year. But yeah, this is the new one. So there's already a couple of people registered there, but we could use up to 10 more people. And to repeat, if you are planning to connect to TREX in Turku, or if this tech is also available in TREX Tampere, this is a safe place where you can test it and also at the end of the day, we can configure your route server sessions at Trex using this if you want.